Ready to add some stunning visual effects to your videos? Let's get started. Begin by opening Adobe After Effects and initiating a new composition, or opening an existing one. Import or add the video footage that you wish to enhance. Navigate to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Rain effect. Drag and apply this effect to your video layer within the timeline. Now, it's time to fine-tune the effect. Adjust the rain amount setting, increase it to elevate the number of raindrops. Modify the drop speed to control how rapidly the droplets descend. A positive value will simulate raindrops falling down, while using a negative value will show raindrops rising. Adjust the drop size to manipulate the dimensions of the raindrop. Smaller values will result in smaller droplets. Tweak the drop opacity setting to adjust the visibility of the raindrops. Increasing the value will cause them to appear more solid. The rain effect is now successfully applied. Play back your composition for a preview. Remember to experiment with these adjustments to tailor the effect to complement your video, allowing your creative vision to come to life.